Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. Oh, you're all good. Oh, that was a Rolo. Coming around this mezzo. Some of these are golf balls. Oh, big stones.
Yeah, there were some bigger ones falling right there. Well, I would grab
Much bigger
here.
ones.
There's a big one right out here by the door.
Put it in park. Get it? Oh!
Yeah, that was a good one. I don't know if I want to get out. Grab this.
Grab a handful.
Here.
Oh, hell, I'm finna get some. Oh! Okay, slow up some. I think I don't want to outrun the bigger stuff. Here you go, hold that. I expect these things to evaporate in the next hour. Here, hold on. Slow down. Stop.
All right.
There's something right here.
Right.
Rate is out there somewhere as well.
Yeah, we're in the town of La Forge right now.
Ryan, go south. Take that road until you can't go south anymore. Take it right, then take a left on your first left.
It's 3 minutes.
Really? To the highway?
Oh. To 273, yeah. It's right there.
These hailstones. If there was 3-inch hail,
This should be a little bit bigger, I would think.
it'll be there.
There should be some big.
That's your stop sign.
273.